What's poppin'? Hope you guys are good. It's your favorite DJ Apex. And you know, guys, I'm not alone. I'm with my baby.
It is your girl, Lady, and you know what it is.
Well, yeah, guys, this is the 10th episode for What's Poppin'. Special episode, Bafitu. Yeah, we still got you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Yeah, and even share the link of our channels just to push our channel to Bafitu. Yeah, we really asking of you guys. We still got you Bafitu, and we're sitting there with the content into dope content. Yes, every time when we say you guys should subscribe, there is something dope we have on our channels.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get straight to the latest updates on Amapiano. So firstly we have Thato Hatsino Tracy.
Guys,
Thato Hatsino Tracy are dropping their highly anticipated album called Uhambo.
Guys, I'm so
Wow.
excited ukuyizwa
Yeah,
this banger because I know nje la khona uTracy noThatho Hearts ay benza nje imishmash.
yeah, I really can't wait to as well, because like I feel like the album simply speaks about their music journey.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna be talking mostly about their music journey, the things they've been through, the challenges, the achievements, you know. So it's all about that basically, and they're hustling the album from these two duos. So like individually, we need albums individually, but it's good that they made an album
together.
Yeah. Shout out to Thato Hearts Tracy Bafethu.
Shout out.
Simlindile Bafethu. Zafika manje 24 Bafethu. Issue. So let's get to another segment Bafethu. Uyangstana opens up about quitting cigarettes.
Oh,
So
Nana.
like Ustana Bafethu, like like that is a good achievement, you know.
Yeah, guys, cause like lots of people ne aba smoker cigarettes, guys. Like kunzima ukuphuma. They say like kunzima ukuphuma, like akukho easy. So shout out to Youngster ukuthi ukhonile ukuba nesibindi nokuthi asitshele yena. Phela into awuyeki nje. Usitshela like ngaphakathi kuwe. Awufostwa umuntu, awucelwa umuntu.
Yep.
Usitshela wena ukuthi yabona manje ngiyayeka lento le, and I'm so happy for Youngster ukuthi ugcina bonile ukuthi cigarettes is not a good thing.
Yeah, that's very good. Like that's very good. So I just have a screenshot here about his post. So in his post he said like can't believe I don't smoke cigarettes anymore, gang. Every emotional and sensitive face, biggest achievement in my life. That shit felt like a life sentence.
Guys,
Wow, like from 2025 to 2026, guys.
10 years,
so, like, wow.
guys, 10 years. 10 years, full 10 years.
Yeah, like
Then
damn.
what decide nje ukuthi yazi ngiyayeka. So please, whoever ozama ukuyeka, I think guys ninga draw inspiration la ku Youngster.
Yeah.
Ifundeni kuye. Like guys, iyayekeka lento is not like lenkathi ungayibhemi bokhona kanjani uphila.
Yeah, because you were
kahle.
not born smoking this thing,
You were not born. Wakhetha ukuyifaka and uwe futhi ozosikhipa.
Exactly. Yeah, so like shout out to Stana Bafethu. That is the biggest achievement in life. Yeah. So let's get to another segment. Ungalahli Themba Bafethu track lethu me and Lady N.
Guys.
Our track is now on 146 streams, guys. Thanks guys for your support.
Thank you so much.
Please keep on streaming the song. Please keep on streaming the song, guys. The song is very dope and in a message and the ear healer. Yeah. Like don't lose hope. Nalo lazy should they come.
Yeah, don't lose hope, guys, in whatever that you are doing right now or uyiqalayo manje.
Yeah.
Iba nethemba kuleyo nto leyo yabo ukuze izosucceeda. Into monganathemba kuyo izoshabalala nje. Just like that.
Yeah, kanjalo nje kuzophela ngayo nje. So Yeah, please stream the song, guys, and continue to stream the song. Music video take years abafethu.
It's coming
Soon
soon,
it's busy now nje so nje. Hey.
Please stay tuned, guys. Please.
Yeah, and we still got more songs to drop, bafethu. We're working on biggest projects this year.
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Ungaphuthelwa.
Oh yeah. Let's get to another segment, bafethu. This one is a very interesting one, bafethu.
Yeah.
So with Devin Gogo, bafethu, she played a 24-hour set.
Guys.
A set yakhe was a success, bafethu. She had a physician obekama massager emuva while she was getting tired, just ukuthi angaluzi focus about ukuqhubeka. Yo, bafethu.
And she did it, guys.
She did it. She
did it.
I think she had everything planned. Yes?
Yeah.
I think she had everything planned. Yeah.
So nje shout out to Devin Gogo, uNtswempu.
Yeah, UNtswempu kakhulu, because she made a history as she's the first South African female DJ to do such a long set.
Oh my god.
Last time mina lento ngayigcina ngoBlack Coffee, and that was like ngayigcina ngoBlack Coffee bebayenza set yakhe. I think it was at Maponya Mall. It was a Red Bull. Yeah, it's years ago, besakhula nathi. Yeah, so kuma female DJ wamanje, she's around like the first one to do such a long set.
She is leading.
Yo, like 24-hour set of it. Yo, wow.
This is so dope.
Wow, like shout out to Devin Gogo of it. Like yo, spirits. All right, now we're concluding the show of it too. Shakes and Less no Zingmalo. So Shakes and Less no Z single track yabo Mzala hits 1 million views on YouTube. Wow.
Guys.
Damn.
Usucabanga ama streams again. Hey.
Usucabanga ama streams again. Yes.
So yeah.
Shout out there, Bafethu.
Shout out.
Yeah, shout out Bafethu. Yeah. So this is a special edition, episode 10. What's popping? It's our longest episode after like it's been a while, because we wanted to get back on track. Yeah, well, we're still pushing the show, Bafethu. This show is going somewhere, Bafethu, and it's a cool. Yeah. So please stay tuned. Keep on subscribing. Be with us. We got you guys. What's popping?